Okay, so welcome muli sa Axel Engineering. Ang topic natin ngayon is how to derive labor cost for roofing installation in PHP per square meters. Okay, so ang example natin na ito, kasi mayroon kang roofing surface na 5 by 10. So ang productivity dyan na gagamitin natin is 3 men can complete 45 to 50 square meters in one day. So ang 3 men na yan is composed of 2 carpenter, installer, and 1 helper. Ito yung mga respective na sweldo nila. So yung average salary nila is 634. I-add mo lang yung mga salary nila divided by 3 would give us 334 pesos per day. So ang ating formula ng labor cost is productivity times average salary rate. So ang productivity natin is 3 men times 1 day per 50 square meters. So lalabas na 0.06 man day per square meter. Ang ginamit natin is yung condition na 50 square meter per day, 3 men. Okay, kaya napalabas natin ng 0.06 man day per square meter. So ang labor cost niyan is 0.06 man day per square meter times 634, yung average salary rate. Ang lalabas is 38 pesos per square meter. Kung ipokontrata mo yan, times mo lang sa 1.33804, magiging 49.50 or simply 50 pesos per square meter. So gamitin natin sa example. Let us say ito yung example mo, 50 by 10, 5 by 10. So yan ang magiging area niyan is 5 times 10 times 2 kasi dalawang sides, kabilaan yan. Okay, kabilaan. Okay, so yan ngayon, ang labor cost mo is 100 square meter times 49.50 would give us 49.50 pesos. Yung ganyang kalaking roofing surface. Okay, so I hope may natutunan kayong bago. Hanggang sa muli.